welcome to this uh, webinar, which we called SEO Made Simple with AI, a beginning's guide to boosting your website. Right. So yes, good morning, everyone. So as once you join, please introduce yourself, name and your location, so that it will be very easy for us to share you the uh, docs and everything. Okay. Okay. So I think let's start the webinar. Okay. So first of all, welcome to this webinar and welcome to DIT Academy, and thank you for attending this webinar. Right. Okay. So basically the webinar is about SEO made simple with AI roadmap. Right. So this is the roadmap has helped many students that become to learn how SEO is useful, how we can boost our website traffic and everything. So there is a roadmap. Once you are starting something, you should have your roadmap about it. So this is the simple roadmap of SEO. So it includes first is what we will cover in this webinar. Then first is what is SEO. You will get a full knowledge about SEO. Then second thing is why SEO is matter. It is very important why SEO is matters. Third thing is how search engine works. Fourth is the type of SEO. Fifth is SEO building blocks. Sixth, the role of AI in SEO. That is very, very, very important. So stay connected with us. Popular AI tools for SEO that will help you to reduce your time and to boost your efficiency. Then, yes, of course, we will see the live demo plan which help you. Then how these AI tools help in your SEO activities. Ninth one is a quick SEO wins and common SEO mistakes that we will figure it out. So what to do, what not to do, right? Then SEO career opportunity means it's like the as of now, as we know that the digital field is booming. So the career opportunity is very, very, very strong in SEO in digital field and everywhere. And then we will cover question and answer from your side, and we will very much happy to answer this, right? Okay, so let me give you some introduction about DIT Academy. So yes, you can search on Google as well, just dial as well, so you can get a very good reviews over there. So 800 plus student being trained, 300 plus student placed, and DIT Academy have more than 300 placement partners that will definitely help you to set your career in a digital field, which is now very much necessary for every business. Okay. So let me give some introduction about myself. My name is Sohail Gadani, and from last 12 year I am in a digital marketing field, and I am working with some organization, and I am mentor also for digital students. Like I have master degree in electronics and communication. Okay, so if you want to check the reviews of students, then you can check on website also, on Google also, everywhere. That will help you to make your decision very, very, very strong, right? Okay, so DIT Academy mainly organized many seminars also, physical seminars also. This is some glimpse about it. As I said, more than 300 plus partner DIT have for their placement partners. Some of the big names are E2M, Sky High, Alpha Tech, Dev, and many things. Okay, so first thing we know that the do you know why some websites show up the first on Google? I think you when you try to search anything na, over Google or anywhere, then you can have something in your mind that why this website are on a top page, and why some website and other website get lost when we cannot find it everywhere. So that is a power of SEO. SEO is completely a package, like you can say it is a search engine optimization, and you can master it out. Like, okay, so what is SEO? As I told, SEO means the search engine optimization. So the name itself have some strong point, like search engine. Now the most Indians and most people in the world are using search engine, that is a Google search engine. So more than 90% share Google have for this traffic. So the search engine optimization is basically created to fulfill the goals like get more visitors, building the trust and visibility, and grow your brand organically. That is a very important, that when you are growing your brand organically means paid things you are doing very much, but it is a burning of your asset, burning of your money and many things. So this is the method where you can have your ideas, where you can have your things for to grow your brand on web on Google organically. Means you don't need to spend anything over there. Like if I want to give you a simple example, when someone searches the best digital course in Surat, the top result use SEO, you can find it out, right? So whenever you are trying to search something on Google, like if you want to, if Diwali is coming, like, so if you want to purchase your clothes, if you want to purchase your shoes, if you want to purchase your perfumes and accessories and many things, then you search on a Google, then you can see the many things you can see on a Google, like on a top page. So your first priority always in a top page. Like whenever you are searching something, you cannot scroll up to the second page, third page, fourth page of the Google. You can see only first page and make your decision clear. Okay, I need to buy this from here, or I don't need to buy. Right. So this is the power of SEO. Am I clear, everyone? Or anything you want? So this should be a bi-directional, right? So this is clear from everyone. May I know from your side, is there any? My voice is clear and screen is clear, na, for everyone. Okay, I hope so. Okay, so this is something about SEO. Now, most of the people start with Google. Imagine if your business was the first thing they show, free traffic every single day, right? Means most of the people start working with Google. Now imagine they are imagining ki okay, once I launch my website, so I will get a traffic. That is not possible without the help of SEO, right? This should be very much clear in your mind. Once you launch your website, or once you launch your app, so it should not be go directly on a ranking page, right? So you have to do something, you have to do something activities on SEO, right? So you have to do activities, whatever the activities and which kind of activities, that I will definitely go through in this webinar, right? Okay, so the things are why SEO matters. So the question, first question is कि why SEO matters. Right. So 90% of online experience begin with Google. Right. As I said, Google have 90% of market share in a search engine. Right. So why SEO? So SEO is equal to free plus long-term traffic, means your authenticity will definite increase, your trust will definitely increase. Like people can see you long time on this page, then they can feel yes, this is something good. So SEO is a thing which is, yes, of course it takes some times, but it gives you the definite result, right? So the third thing is a building credibility and trust. As I say, you can build your credibility to your prospect, to your clients, and everyone, and also you can build your trust, right? So this is a very good and very important thing, that trust is very important. Once you let me give you one example. If you want to buy something on Amazon, if you want to buy something on Flipkart or Mintra or Ajio or whenever you want to buy, right? First, you check the reviews of the product. So, why you are checking that reviews? Because you want to know about how the product is. If the reviews are good, then you think about to purchase. But before reviews, once you search something on a Google, then if it gives you the link where you can go and you can buy something, that definite you will go, right? So this thing is very important, like your credibility and trust. Okay, then convert your visitor into customers, right? So this is a very important, means if somebody is coming to your website via Google, then it is very much important that if the client is scrolling your website and they fill some forms and they need to know what we are doing, so this is a conversion of your visitor into your customer. Every business blogger and creator need SEO. So every business, as I said, whatever the business you are thinking in your mind, they are running it online. They have to have SEO strongness. Means if you are running a IT business, if you are running a manufacturing business, if you are have any physical product, or if you are running a simple shop. So for that all, SEO is a very important. Like when you are thinking about, if I search something on a Google, then you type the best perfume shop near me. So what is it? It is something that you are looking nearby, right? You are looking nearby, then which kind of perfume shop, then the list is coming, and first or second thing, whatever in a top first, whatever in a top two, you definitely click over there, you call over there, and you go over there. So this is the thing, whatever the business, every blogger and creator need SEO. Is that clear in your mind, everyone? Or any doubt? Yeah, any doubt? Or is it is a clear thing? Okay, hope, I'm hoping then everything is clear in your mind, right? So if I want to give you a real impact example, then as I said, local cafes, online stores, academies, all get traffic through SEO. As I said, whatever the business you have, you can have your SEO strongliness. Okay, so we are moving ahead. Okay, so this is something like Google is like a giant library, and you know it very well, right? You search anything on Google, you can get definite answer. But here is a trick, right? So trick is that if your book isn't index, it doesn't even exist. Means once you purchased any book, whatever the book you have, the first or second page will be an index, right? So index is what? Index is your summary of your topics and the things you are covering in your book. So people can find it, people can easily find the topics over there, right? So it is a sure thing. If your book has no any index, then I don't think you buy it. right? So this is a very important, like Google is a giant library, but the trick is you have to have some indexing. So what is the meaning of that? I'm telling you, the algorithm of search engine. So algorithm means how Google works. So there are three simple steps. One is crawling, second one is indexing, and third one is ranking. So what it means? What it means by crawling? So crawling means once you live your website, once you live your app, so there is a thing where you can find a crawling thing like Google scan your website, right? Google scan your website. This is a crawling. Once your website is live, Google scan it. So it is a kind of crawling, you can say. So the crawling is very important because Google should know about your website. Google should know about your website. The second thing is indexing. Second thing is indexing. Indexing means what? It saves your content in its database. Means your domain, your name of your business, like DIT Academy. So Google, what Google will do? First step Google do, it's a crawling. Second Google do is indexing, means Google crawl your website and Google save that website domain name in the database. Is that clear, everyone? Or any doubt you have? Clear? So you can write on chat also. So is that clear, everyone? Okay. So I believe it is clear in your mind. Okay. So the main and important thing is the ranking. Ranking is very important thing, means it decide where your site appears in search engine result. Okay, means once Google crawl your website, one Google have some indexing, then what is happening, like is it impact in your ranking. So you can say the ranking means it decide where your site appears, means it appears on a first, top 1, top 2, top 3, top 4, top 5, top 10, or it is in first page or second page or third page. So it is a called ranking of your website. Once you search something on a Google, I want to buy a shoes, then you can have some definite website name, Adidas, Bata, like whatever. Okay. So the main goal of search engine is to make it easy for Google to understand your site, right? So it should be very clear that Google can work in a three basic simple step: crawling, indexing, and ranking. Hope it is clear in your mind, or any doubt anyone have, you can ask on chat also. Okay? Okay, great. I think everything is clear to you. Okay, now the things is very, very, very important. So you know about SEO, you know about Google algorithm, everything. But how to do SEO means what are the types of SEO that we can do and we can perform and we can get our website on a top, right? So the type of SEO means there are three type of SEO mainly, and if it is something like when you are trying to win a race with only two wheel on your bike, yeah, so it is not like a thing. Basically there are three types of SEO. The majorly three type of SEOs are Here is the thing. The first one is on page SEO, second one is off page SEO, and third one is technical SEO. Right? So it is something clear in your mind. So there are three kind of SEO. One is on page, off page, and technical. Okay. Now every type of SEO have different focus and different example. Of course, they have. Okay. So now we will go turn by turn. So first we start with on page SEO, right? So in on page SEO, what is the things are the focus area for on page SEO is optimize the website content. So it is a very much clear. On page SEO is work like to optimize the website content. Now, what are the website content? So website content covers your homepage or whatever the page you are adding in your website. So they all are come with a content of your website. In the website you can add your blogs, you can add your white paper, you can add your anything you want to add, you can add, right? So the type of SEO, and the first one is on page SEO, and the focus area is optimize the website content. I think clear it is in your mind. For example, how to optimize the website content. So keywords you have to identify, titles, titles in terms of meta title, meta description, and everything, and your headings, H1 tag, H2 tag, H3 tag, right? These all are very, very, very important. Okay, so I think it is a clear. On page SEO, focus area is optimized website content, and examples are keywords, titles, headings, and anything. Second one is the off page SEO. So for the off page SEO, the focus area are build authority externally, means you are building your trust from outside. Outside means from outside of your website. Externally you are building trust, externally you are building authority. Okay, so it is a kind of thing. Then if you want to build authority externally, then you have to have backlinks, shares, mentions, means anything you can do on your social media, anything you can do on your on activities on other websites, like if you are blogging somewhere or you are mentioning someone, that is called off page SEO activity. Is that clear, everyone? So off page SEO focused area is build the authority externally, the main focus. And the examples are backlinks, shares, and mention. Now the important part is a technical SEO. It is a very important. So the technical SEO mainly focused area is improve backends and your performance. This is a very important part, like your site speed, if your website is a mobile friendly or not, what are the loading time of your website, and many things that can be a part of a technical SEO. Means if you find your website on a top, then once you click on your website and if it takes too much time to open your one page, then it is a nothing a meaning. So there is a no meaning for that. So people may not be moving ahead with that kind of speed. So it is very important that your site speed, and if every now the days are you are doing your more than 80% activities on your mobile, right? So if you find some website and you opened it in your mobile, then it is, if it is not a mobile friendly, then UI UX is very bad. So you, what you will do, you drop it out, let it be. We will find another website, we will find another thing to buy something, to buy, right? So this is very important. So basically three type of SEO. One is on page, another one is off page, and third one is technical. So is that clear in your mind, everyone? Or any doubt you have, you can ask in a chat. Okay. So the main tips is that all three must work together for good result. So this is not the thing. Then when you are doing on page SEO, okay, we will do on page SEO and we will get a rank. No, that is not possible. When you are doing off page SEO, then only off page SEO will not work. Only technical SEO will not work. Means the combination of everything. Combination of these three can give you a better result. Okay, so keep it in mind and be very much clear. Once you are doing something for your website, then kindly focus on all these three. Now, moving ahead, how to crack SEO. This is a very good thing, and as a like beginner, you think that it is like a house. Without keyword, backlinks, and speed, the house simply collapse. Means when you are building your house, so if the construction is good, if you have used a good cement, good combination of cement, concrete, and everything, you have used good amount of aluminum, so the house will remain last long. But if you not doing this properly, then your house simply collapse. So the SEO is this kind of thing. Once you are building your website is ready, and once you are trying to do your SEO for a website, then keep it mind, you have to research about keywords, you have to research about backlinks, and of course the speed, and many things you have to keep it in your mind. That will help you to increase the result. And another thing, it keeps a last long. That is a very much important thing as of now. Then once we are doing something that keeps in a last long. Okay, now clear is in your mind. Good. Okay, so now the real things are coming. SEO building blocks. As I said, many things you have to keep in your mind. Then what are the building blocks for this SEO? Means how you can create a solid house that will not collapse. So first, keywords. It's a very important thing. So keyword is the thing that what a people search on a Google. Clear है? Ki what are the things that people are searching on Google? That is a very important. You have to find that Google can suggest you also. Then this kind of things are people searching very more. Okay, so the keyword is a very important building blocks for SEO. Second one is content quality. What is the second one? Content quality. So of course content quality is very important, right? So types of content, if you are not copying it and you have your own ideas and that kind of thing. So content quality is also another building blocks for SEO. Then third one is the backlinks. Third one is a backlinks. Okay. So votes for confidence from other sites means some. other people are showing trust on you, they give a backlink to you. Okay, so yes, backlink is also very much important building block. Then fourth one, the fourth one is a page speed and mobile optimization. So this is also very important. As I said, once you are searching something on your mobile, then you can find the speed of the page. You can find the speed of the page, and yes, how your mobile, how your website works in your mobile, how your website works in your mobile. It is also very 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 important. Okay, means when you are searching something in your mobile, once you get it, so what happened? You are scrolling website in your mobile, and if suddenly you feel that the speed loading speed is very low, not because of your internet but because of your mobile, uh, without mobile friendliness of your website, then what you will do? Simple, you will not go ahead in that website. Okay, so it is all very important. Then your speed of a website should be very high. And another thing, that your website should be mobile optimization, mobile friendly. So for user experience, these things are very 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 important. Okay, and the page speed and the mobile optimization is the very important building blocks for your SEO. Another thing is the analytics, right? So analytics means you are doing many activities, like you are searching keywords, you are developing a good content, you are developing a good backlinks, your page speed is also good, your mobile optimization is also good, everything is good. But at the end, what is important? The important is analytics. Analytics means the track performance. Analytics means what? The track of your activity. The track of your activity, right? So it is also very 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 important. Then you have to have your analysis. Okay, now, is that clear in your mind, or anyone have any doubt? Then what are the building blocks? So it is a simple, like keywords, content quality, backlinks, page speed, mobile optimization, and analytics, and many things. Okay, I hope it is clear in your mind. Now, moving ahead, so now till now you know the types of SEO, what are the types of SEO, how we can do SEO, and many things you are doing, right? So now AI is very much important role playing for your activity. Okay, so AI is a very 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 user friendly term as of now, and you will get idea about AI, right? But AI is playing a good role in SEO. Like AI is not replacing SEO, but AI is a thing that when you are doing something, uh, when you are doing something without using AI, it takes too many hours. Like if you are taking 3 hours for to do some task, then AI can help you to do in a 3 minutes. Okay, so I think it is a clear that AI, see that there is a very much clear boundary line that AI is not replacing SEO, but AI can help you to do your task with a short time. Okay. Okay, so now moving ahead, we think that AI. 1 second, 1 second. Yeah. Okay, the role of AI in SEO, right? So the things are very very easy. Okay, so the AI, as I said, AI help you to simplify and automate your SEO task. So the task is like keyword research, blogs writing, meta tags, competitor research, content optimization, right? So if we take example of this kind of task, then what are the result before AI and what are the activities before AI and what are the activities with AI you can do? It is a very very simple. So first we are taking example of keyword research. Okay, so before AI, many people search it manually. It is a time taking because you have to check like which kind of keyword are there, short uh, short term kind of keyword, long term kind of keyword, short tail keyword, long tail keyword, and many things are included. But now with the use of AI, this is a very simple that you can have an instant suggestion that which kind of keyword can help you, right, and which kind of keywords cannot help you. Okay. So the second thing is writing a blog. Okay, as you know, the create a content is a headache task before AI. Like very very long hours you have to sit, you have to think, you have to phrase, you have to like many things involved. But now it is a very simple that AI writes it in a minutes. Okay, good. So yes, keyword research. Okay, writing blogs. Okay, and another thing is a meta text. Meta text manually written before, and now it is AI auto generated. Okay, so meta tag is also very important. So before AI, it's a manually written. With AI is a AI auto. Then competitor research. So competitor research, as you know, we used Excel work, we used doc, we use many things, but after using AI, it gives you instant insight. Okay. Then content optimization. Okay. So content optimization is once AI was not there, it's a kind of guesswork. Means you have to guess something and you have to guess, right? Then now it is a kind of after using that AI tool. So it's core SEO. Okay. Okay. So content optimization, yes, before it's a guesswork, and now uh, once you are using your AI tool, so it is a very simple thing, right? So this kind of task is nowadays very easy to perform, right? And you can have a better ideas, better suggestion, and better things. So first thing is a keyword research. As I said, very simple as of now. Writing blogs, writing any newsletter, writing anything. It's a very simple thing as of now. Then meta text. Meta text is also very simple thing as of now. You can have many ideas. Then competitor research and content optimization. So all these tasks are very easy with the use of AI. Is that clear in your mind, or any doubt you have? Any doubt you have or clear? Okay, I hope it is clear. If you have any doubt, you can write in a chat and you can ask any questions over there. Because after this session, we will have a question answer session also. So you can, if you have any doubt, you can have in your mind and keep it note down, and you can ask me after this. Okay, so moving ahead, now the struggle of beginners is there. Why it is there? Because they don't know which tools to use and which tools will not be used, right? So it is a very important to get ideas about tools. Means there are lot of tools available in market, there are lot of free tools available in market, there are lot of paid tool available in market. So you definitely get confused over there. So it is very important for you as a beginner, like which tool is help me and which tool will not help me. So I will give a exact AI toolkit pros that you can use in your daily activities for SEO. Okay. Now the popular AI tools are listed here, and you can have a better idea for a different activity, different kind of AI tool is used. So first thing, content and keywords. Okay. The first things is content and keywords. So for that you can use Chat GPT. I think everybody knows that Gemini and Jasper. Surfer SEO, Neuron Writer, and many things are there that can help you to content and keywords. These are the examples of popular AI tools, and I used to use it. That's why I have put it over here. Other than this, also there are many tools like Copilot and Grox and many things. So this is for content creation. Now the analysis and planning. If you want to do your analysis and if you want to do your planning, there are many tools available. Some of the example are Sambras, Href, Uber Suggest. I think this can help you better for your analysis and for your planning. Now, visual and social. So, copy.ai, Canva Magic, Write, and many things. Okay. So these are the useful example of popular AI tools. Let me clear you. Content and keyword, you can use ChatGPT, you can use Gemini, you can use Jasper. Surfer SEO and Neural Writer also. For your any kind of analysis and planning, you can use Uber Suggest, you can use Shambras, you can use Href. For your visual and social kind of activity, you can always have a Canva, you can always have a copy.ai. This tool can help you to reduce your time to perform any activity. means you can have a better time management by using these kind of tools. Clear? Okay, so I think this should be very much clear, and now we can move ahead for the same. Okay, so this is something about okay, I am telling you okay, this tool is good, this tool is not a good. So this all are you feel always this is a theory kind of thing. How you can use it, how you can use it in your SEO, or how you can use it in your real time. That is a very important. Okay, so let me give you some practical ideas that can help you to perform your task better. So it is a kind of we will do now. We are doing a demo kind of activities. So be ready for that. Okay, and we will have a good practical session over here also. Okay, so what is a demo kind of thing I am showing you? So it's a kind of live demo, and let's do it together. So I am also doing it, and if you are able to do it, then you can do it as of now also, so that you can have a better idea, right? Okay, so the things are we are doing is like, first of all, if you don't have a chat gpt account, then please create it. Okay, so I am creating it parallelly. Okay, so let me show you that also. I'm currently stopping my screen, and I am sharing you the screen of ChatGPT as well, so that you can have a better idea. Okay, okay, now let me share the screen of. Okay, so once you write ChatGPT in a Google official ChatGPT website, you can have ChatGPT. You can click here. So this kind of screen is visible. Once you click over there, accept all cookies. Now you can have what can I help with? So you can write it here. But before that, I think you can log in from here. You can log in, continue with Google. Okay, so it will be very easy to you to do something. Now it is a logged in. So the screen something like this. Okay, so this kind of screen you always have on your chat gpt login. Now what we are planning, we have to write a blog. Okay, so what we are planning, we have to write a blog. So first of all, for the writing a blog, we have to use a title. Okay, so we have to identify a title, and then we can write a blog. So I think we can have we can ask ChatGPT also. I want to write a blog on latest industry trends. So see, there are many example ChatGPT suggesting. So what he suggests that technology, digital marketing, finance, fintech, education, healthcare, real estate, fashion, manufacturing. Okay. So apart from this, we can write I want to write it for healthcare, and also give me topics for that. So once you enter trending blog topics idea, you can pick anyone like. See, they have a many suggestions. First, AI and automation in a healthcare, from diagnosis to virtual assistant. Second thing is telemedicine 2.0, then wearable health, then personalized medicine, then blockchain, then mental health, robotics, healthcare in a metaverse, value-based care. So this is the thing. Now, see, if you choose the thing from here, if you choose the thing from here and trending blocks topics, then you can have this like AI and automation in healthcare, right? Now, apart from this, you can choose any of the topic. Apart from this, you can choose any of the topic. First, we choose the topic of this one, like, and you can write it. This is the topic, and I want to write a blog on this. So you can see here, you can have a full length of blogs with easy and understandable content. Okay. So what are the important? The important is to choose the right topic, to choose the right industry, and to choose the right topic which is actually trending. So AI tool can suggest you which kind of tool is right, which kind of uh, trend is going on, and what is the things, right? Okay, so you can find it here. You can keep trying this thing at your place also, like open, if you are using your mobile right now, then open chat gpt in your Chrome, login, or without login you can search this thing. So it is a kind of thing you can have a practical idea that how you can use AI tool for your SEO kind of activity, right? So it is a very important and very useful thing. Then how you can use AI tool. So this is a simple demo, right? This is simple thing. You can use this thing in a many other ways also. Like you can use your chat GPT to write not only blogs, you can use it to write your social media caption, Instagram caption, your email, your diary writing, your notice writing. Many things can help by this kind of AI tool, right? So is that clear in your mind? Everyone can have idea about this, or any doubt in this practical session, you can ask me also, or you can write in a chat box also. Okay, I hope this is a clear for everyone. So this is a good platform. I am not saying that this is the only platform, but yes, this is a good platform. Apart from this, you can have a Gemini also. The process is same. Search in a Google, log in, and then search your queries. So by using, so what I am saying, by using AI tool, you can have topics, or you can have a full write up of blogs within a 5 minutes. So it can save your time, it can save your bandwidth also. right? So it is a very useful thing, and I think you guys have to use it. Okay, so hope this is clear in your mind, everyone. I believe that there is no question for your from your side regarding how to use a tool. Okay, okay. So what I am doing is I am stopping this screen share, and again I am sharing the PPT. So let me know if it is visible, then we can move ahead. Hope it is visible to everyone. Okay, thank you very much. Now, what moving ahead? What SEO? If you want to uh, make your SEO result fast, so how can you do it? Okay, because SEO is the thing which can take a time nearby 4 to 6 months to 8 months, right? But I am suggesting you the basic hacks that can help you, that can help you for to move ahead, to move fast on the ranking side. Okay, so let's start this. Quick SEO wins. It is called, I am telling it a quick SEO wins. Means these are the guideline for you, or you can say this, please, I think you can note it down very well, so that once you do anything in your SEO activity, you can have a better idea to early success, right? So first and very important is use short and meaningful URL. So I have seen many people, they use a very long URL that doesn't make any sense. People cannot understand from that URL, and ultimately the result is a loss of traffic. Okay. So first and very important kind of thing is use short and meaningful URL. Short and meaningful URL. So what is the URL? When you are searching something on a Google, so it shows you some URL on your top side. Okay. So this is very important. Second thing is very important is add keyword in a title and heading. This is a very important. Once you are doing your SEO, then add your keywords, add your titles, add your headings in a meaningful manner. So, what does it mean? Once you have finalized your keywords, use that kind of keyword in your uh, title, also use that kind of keyword in your heading also. Okay, so this trick will help you to early success. Then optimize images. This is also important because the website without images is not possible, and images can have two SEO kind of thing. So you have to optimize it, means you have to create it in that manner that so the load time cannot increase. So alter tag you can use for every image, right? So this is also very important point to optimize your images. Then write helpful content, not keyword stuffing. So this is a main important, means once you know that keyword can help us, and you use that kind of keyword many times in your blog, in your article, in your website, that cannot help you at more. So it is called the keyword stuffing, right? So it should not be there. It should not be there. So create a content in that manner that can help everyone once they go through it, and it has some meaningful meaning. Okay, so it is not that thing ki you are writing anything and you can get it on a top. So no. So that, keep in mind, Google have also brain, right? They know everything. Okay, so optimize images is also a good option. Write helpful content. Keyword stuffing is not possible, and never do that. Make site mobile friendly. As I said from the starting of the webinar, that make your website is mobile friendly. It will very helpful to you, right? Because 80% of your traffic coming from your mobile. Okay, so make your website mobile friendly. Then add Google business profile for your local SEO. This is very important. Means when you are searching something locally, as I said, I want to buy a shoes and I write a shoe shop near me. So that kind of thing you are searching, right? Many people searching, right? So the things are that you have to add your Google business profile also every time once you have any business. Okay, so it will help you very well. So add Google business profile. Then track your growth monthly, means you are actively doing activity for your SEO, but every time track and analyze your activity so that you can have a better idea that which things are working and which are not. Clear in your mind, everyone? Hope this is clear, because these are the tips to get early success in SEO. Every time you don't need to do many activity, but yes, do activity focusedly so that you can have a success over there. Okay, so I think this must be clear in your mind, right? We are moving ahead. Okay, so up now we are talking about most businesses failed at SEO not because of competition but because they have keep making these five deadly mistakes. Means you have to avoid your mistakes while doing SEO. Please avoid this kind of mistake, right? So which kind of mistake you have to avoid, that I will show you definitely, so that it will help you to do a better job. Now the mistakes are: first, copying content from other. It should not be there. Means you have read something somewhere and copy that and paste it in your website, in your social media, in your blog. It should not be there. Means it have to be have original kind of content every time. Okay. Second, ignoring meta description, because description is very important. Once you search something in a search engine, then it will help you. Many people avoid that. Many people are using only titles, not description. But yes, you have to have use it, right? Then skipping internal linking. Many people avoid to link internal pages also, but no, you have to do that. Please keep in mind, you have to do that because it will help you very much. And then overusing AI without human touch. Now, once I said AI can help you, but don't use it blindly. Don't use it blindly, right? Because AI and human touch can create a magic, not only AI, right? So I think this can help you very much. then not analyzing a performance, not analyzing a performance. Every time you have to analyze the performance. Every time you have to analyze your performance. So this is a thing where you have to use. Don't don't do this kind of mistakes. So these are the common mistakes. These are the common mistakes that you have to avoid. Okay, the first, don't copy content. Second, use a meta description that will help you. Internal linking will be very, very helpful. Overusing of AI, please avoid that. And every time do your analysis. Every time do your analysis. Right? Okay. So this thing will help you. Now moving ahead. Okay. So do you know SEO can land your job? Okay, means what? Why we are doing all this? Why? Once you know SEO, you will be far better, far ahead of many people. Because I am not saying that if you know SEO, you can do job only. No, you can do your freelancing. Even you can launch your own agency. Even once you have a many client, then you can manage everyone by using. So what is ultimately my thing is ki it's more than a skill, it is a career. So choose your SEO wisely can help you to better understand of your career, right? It can definitely help you to boost your career. So till now I have taught you many things like types of SEO, your what kind of things you can do and what kind of things you can avoid. Eh, Common mistakes is that you have to avoid, tips that you can do, and live demo also that I have given that how AI can help you to bring it. Okay. Now let me clear you many things. Once you choose SEO as your career opportunity, then SEO skill can help you. So you can be a SEO executive to SEO specialist. You can be a content strategist. You can be a digital marketing analyst, freelancer, blogger, YouTuber, and of course your own marketing agency owner. Right? So in the bonus, AI knowledge makes you 10x faster and smarter. That is for sure. So SEO, choose SEO as a career is a very good decision also. So as I said, you can be an executive, you can be a specialist, you can be a content strategist, you can be a digital marketing analyst, and many things you can do wisely, right? And apart from SEO, if you know AI, then it's kind of Sonepe Suaga kind of thing, right?